Hello everybody, today I have an unboxing for you of the Apple USB power adapter. So, let's start by peeling off the bottom sticker right here. And flip it open. Here is the device itself, which we will just lift out and place to the side for the moment. You lift this up, and you get a USB cable, which is really nice. I did not even know that they included that. That's a really nice feature there. And instructions. Now these instructions do not come with Apple stickers, unfortunately. So you have your instructions, a 30-pin dock connector, USB cord, and the charger itself, which should come out of here by just popping out. And then you can just slide it off. And there's a protective plastic. And here it is. That is really nice. Very clean, and it's just very nice. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Apple USB power adapter. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.